Hey gang, today we're going to be potting up this little Anthurium fingers that was sent to me by one of you guys out there. It's been in the Spagna Moss for quite some time and I think it's time to pot it up. So go ahead and grab yourself a snack, grab yourself something to drink, and let's get potting. Hey plant gang, Miles here, Paradise in the Pot, coming to you from Las Vegas, Nevada. If you're new here, welcome to my houseplant channel, where we talk about houseplants, houseplanty kind of things, and that kind of stuff. If you like that kind of stuff, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We'd sure appreciate it around here. If you're not new here, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you've come back. I've got so many very friendly followers that I talk to all the time now that I'm really appreciating. So thank you all for coming back. Today we're going to be going ahead and I've got this little Anthurium, which is actually from one of you little fantastic subscribers out there. Hope you guys can see that all right. It's been in this little cup for a while now, and I'm going to go ahead and assume that it's ready to be potted up. It's been doing okay, but I think it would probably grow a little more if we potted that up. So go ahead and grab yourself a snack, grab yourself something to drink, get comfortable, or get your plant chore stuff out ready to go, and let's do some potting. All right, gang, I'm going to turn around the camera and we'll get this going. Gang, I got us all turned around here so we can see what's going. You can still see it's got the original tag. It's still in the cup it came in. It's a little dry right now, which I think is alright because we've got to remove the Spagna Moss from these roots. So as I pull it out, I see there's some big chunky perlite in here also, which I think I might actually keep in the mix. Look at that. We've never had big chunky perlite like that before, so I'll appreciate that. See here, just trying to be real super gentle. These roots are looking pretty healthy though. I know that the Anthurium likes to stay moist all the time, so I'm definitely going to be keeping this one in my cabinet to ensure it has the humidity it needs for those leaves to really finger out for us. Now when I pull off Spagna Moss, I try to be the most gentle I can, but I don't mind if a little bit gets left behind. Well, look at that. That's quite a little root system for that guy. I think it's going to do all right. So we're going to go ahead and pot this one up. I'm going to use this little pot right here. Looks like the roots will fit in there nicely, have a little room to grow. What I am going to do, I'm going to set that back there for a moment, is I'm going to separate out, and I'm going to use this chunky perlite in with its mix because I like it and it's already been with it, and I don't know, I just think it's kind of cool. So we'll do that. Actually, what I am going to also do is to help keep a little bit of moisture around the root, is I'm going to put a little Spagna Moss in the bottom. I've done a lot of looking up, so if you guys have other ideas on how to pot these up, let me know. But I live in Las Vegas, so things are very dry here. I'm going to place that there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this cup. Now in here we have potting mix with my Fox Farms. I have some extra perlite added. I have some orchid bark. There's a little bit of tree fern in there that I had laying around, so I added that in. I also have my amazing kelp, my systemic poison, and along with rooting hormone, all in there. I have to make sure and wash my hands once I get done. I really need to get gloves, don't I, guys? It would be the safer way to go here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just kind of mix in that chunky perlite and put down a layer. And then we're going to go ahead and set this in there. Oh, it's going to look so nice once it gets potted. Put it in there. Oh, those roots are so thick. Like I said, gang, this is the first Anthurium I've ever kept in all my plant adventures through the years. If I've had an Anthurium in the past, I didn't know I did, so I can't really say I'd count it. That mark's a little too big, but there we go, looking pretty nice. I think I'm going to grab just a little more soil. Sorry for my arm there. Oh yeah, in case I didn't mention, I do have horticultural charcoal in there. Alright, so there we go. I just want to make sure that the base is really in there nicely. All right, well gang, that is our little pot up for the day, and I'm going to go ahead and wish everybody a happy Sunday. I'm going to get this edited and out right away. Alright, well, I think we're going to wrap the video up here. Tell me what you think of the little Anthurium fingers all potted up. I'm going to water this and put it away. Have a great day, guys. Bye.